Garlic, it is more than just a kitchen staple. For thousands of years, this tiny bulb has been treasured for its powerful health benefits and surprising everyday uses. Let us start with what it does for your body. Garlic is known to boost the immune system, helping you fight off colds and infections faster. It is packed with antioxidants and a compound called allicin, which gives garlic its distinctive smell and its disease-fighting power. Struggling with high blood pressure or cholesterol? Studies suggest garlic may help support heart health by lowering blood pressure and improving circulation. It even has antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a natural way to fight infections without harsh chemicals. But garlic's powers go beyond your plate. You can use it in a foot soak to combat fungal infections. Create a natural cough syrup by infusing garlic with honey, an age-old remedy for sore throats. Want to keep bugs away? A simple garlic spray works as a natural insect repellent. And here is a surprise. Some even use garlic-infused oil to stimulate hair growth and strengthen the scalp. Of course, garlic is not a miracle cure. If you're on medications, especially blood thinners, talk to your doctor before using it as a remedy. And raw garlic can be potent, so go easy at first.